This is my video log, and it portrays a true, absolute, wonderful miracle today on this wonderful Sunday. Hi folks, I wanted to record this as soon as I heard it. A 101-year-old guy, Phuntheu Namang from Nepal, has been rescued today along with 3 other individuals elsewhere in Nepal. And what I think is absolutely amazing with that is that guy, after a week, held on to life. He's 101, and that's a huge inspiration. It beats the barrier of people saying, let's try and save the young, let's try and put the women first. This guy has gone through all that. He is an echo of what humanity is about. Equality. Humanity about having everybody having an importance, no matter who they are, no matter what their age, no matter what their sex is. On the other parallel, I get so angry with the fact that mountain climbers were saved in Nepal first. Should have been aware of the risks, should have been aware of avalanches, should have had all the proper equipment. You know, they didn't know it was going to be an earthquake, but nevertheless, they should have been equipped with the right amount of equipment, with the right supplies, that if they're involved in an avalanche, they will be able to survive it. Those are the last people who should have been rescued. They chose to go there. This guy who's 101 years old, in Nepal itself, fairly poor, didn't know this was coming, wouldn't have had the equipment, wouldn't have had the supplies. This is the guy who should have been brought out much sooner, but no. We wasted our resources on those tosspots who climb mountains without the right equipment to save their lives if they're in an avalanche. And that's how I feel. All resources should have gone into saving those people of Nepal, not those people on holiday there. So as we continue this video log, right, decided that we're going to look at the themes for this week. I'm going to do a theme week. I'm actually recording this bank holiday Monday now. Just had a shower. Can you see? That's awesome. Right, I've just decided, right, that this is a moment in my life, right? Goat's milk. Classic. You see that goat there? My best mate. Now this is amazing. This is the best moment in my life ever, at least for the next couple of minutes. We're going to try out goat's milk with a cup of tea. Yeah, I've often tried goat's milk with my tea, right? There you go, kettle pouring. It makes a hell of a noise. So that's what we're going to do, goat's milk and tea, right? So, so the next point is, right, this week, I'm going to have a bit of a rant. Sunday, set the scene. I go into Tesco's, right? There I am in Tesco's. I'm approaching the aisle of the bakery section, and the cinnamon rolls are just about to be binned by Tesco, because Tesco's believes that that food up there on its shelves, which is baked a few hours earlier, is not actually for human consumption, is actually for the consumption for pigs, okay? And it's not good enough for humans, it's not good enough to be reduced. Pigs are better than humans, so Tesco's have got to feed this product to little pigs that go oink, oink, oink. So there I am taking photographs for head office, because Tesco head office wants me to keep a record of the cinnamon rolls that are being binned each week so they can do something about it, because the store manager is an evil dictator. He looks a bit like Stalin. He's a bit dumpy, sort of evil, right? Anyway, calm down, Carl. That's good. I'm there. Oh yeah, the point, Tesco's, right? I took this photograph with my mobile phone. There you go. By the way, I'm taking photographs of you lot out there. Yeah, you. I'm spying on you. And then I go around the corner. And the next few minutes, the manager says, "What are you doing taking photographs in my store? I own this store, this Tesco's. It's my Reich," he said. And I said, yeah, I'm taking photographs for your employers. And he says, "My employers have not given you permission to take photographs in my store," he says. So he says, "Hang on a minute, you work for Tesco's, They've asked me to do this. And he said, well, they haven't asked me permission for you to take photographs in my store. And I said, well, you work for Tesco's. He says, yeah, but it's still my store. Everything that goes on here. And if you keep taking photographs of produce for my employers, I'm going to ban you from my shop because I own this Tesco store. It's mine, he was saying. At that moment, I just thought, yeah, I backed away. I was just about to get a cinnamon roll. But on this occasion, it was already in a bin bag. So I couldn't throw a cinnamon roll at him. And therefore, I was saved from an assault moment. Yeah. Anyway, we got to do the tea there. Right. Here you go. See? Ow! Ooh. Oh my God, I'm dying. Right, moving on. Right, yeah. So obviously, back to that other point. Yeah, I got to say it again. 101-year-old Nepal guy. Yeah, mountain climbers again. If you want to go mountain climbing, sorry, I'm repeating this again. If you want to go mountain climbing, take the proper equipment with you. And I'm not going to go and rescue you. See? Did that again. So what else was I going to do? Yeah, it's been a brilliant weekend, right? Sort of Saturday. Was there with my children. Yeah. My daughter was watching a film because she wasn't very well. And my other daughter, oh, we got photographs. Yeah, in the morning with my daughter Bethan, we picked up the photographs, right, from the Francis Kettle in Barry, right? Bethan, my daughter Bethan, top film star as she is. She's been in loads of things. Cats, that's one, and loads of other things. Right, you know. So picked up these. Look at that. See? Well, it is me, actually. Yeah, it's a photograph of me. Yeah. No. No. Okay? Brendan, before you say it, right? Oh, by the way, I chatted with Brendan today. It's good to see he's back in town, like, you know. Brendan, before you say it, it was taken just about 2 weeks ago. See? It's good. It's good. Anyway, and there's another one. See? Yeah, anyway, it does look a bit like me. It is me. It was taken 2 weeks ago. See? See? Looks like me. Good. Right, yeah, so that was it. So, what else? Oh, yes. I've decided, right. The point is, I've been doing a bit of decluttering today. Sunday. Yeah, good. Bank holiday Sunday. It's being recorded on Monday, but don't need to know that. You. Doing some decluttering today, and the thing is, what I thought, right? Oh, we've got to finish the tea bag. See? Ah! Toast! Oh, God. Sorry, guys. See? Toast. Burning. Oh, Christ. Whew. What was I saying to you lot? Right, decluttering, right? You know, oh, goat's milk. See? Goat's milk. Michelle, I think you're right. It does smell a bit like goats. Yeah. There you go. Right, yeah. Oh, what's that one about? Right, Mary, you know, keep going on about honey and like put it in a cup and sort of stuff. Mary's from America. This woman over there. She watches all my videos. She's my second biggest fan. You know who you are. You're my biggest fan there. Anyway, she's from America. She keeps telling me about honey and lemon and stuff. Do you realise how expensive honey is in this country? And lemons? Maybe I could get some from Tesco's. I have to take the photograph of them. And they throw me out and I get it free. It's cool. Decluttering, yeah, back to that one. Right, decluttering. I was thinking, you know, it's just like I've been decluttering, and when I've got to the stage where I've decluttered and I've got all the stuff and I've got to go through it again, right? You know, because my business was really big once. I used to have 250 subscribers for Archaeology Cymru and stuff. or whatever. I got all these really nice letters and stuff that my students used to send me. And there's like loads of them. Flipping heck. So, you know, I'm thinking they're going to be no good to anybody else. And they're really nice. But don't get rid of them. And the answer is you're supposed to. So, anyway, any thoughts about that? But then again, might they be useful for somebody? Yeah, give me some clues. Because again, it's like decluttering is about layers, right? You take one layer away and you're able to go with the other layer. See? It's like a bathroom, right? You start off with all these soaps and stuff and shampoo and female shavers to shave legs, which are good, much better for men. That I just made that bit up. And bleach and Christ, what I'm trying to say is you don't need so much crap in your bathroom, right? And it's about paperwork and books. You don't need so much crap. So we're going to go through more books soon as well. Bit of decluttering. So what else I got? I got a checklist. Yeah, that's why I keep checking, right? So my invisible friend is telling me that I've got one more issue to discuss. Politics, right? Now I used to be a politician. Actually, it's quite good tea. Here we go. It's really nice. It's good. No, actually, I'm only joking, right? It's much better tea, right? Because I'm using decaffeinated tea. It's really nice. The problem is with goat's milk, it's like 4 times the price of a normal carton of cow's milk. But one good thing about Tesco stocks goat's milk. Thanks to me, I've managed to get Tesco. It's like feeling a real goat. There you go. It's lovely. Right. Politics, right? Now, if I was in England, I'd be voting UKIP. As I'm in Wales, Plaid Cymru. Because it's got loads of posters in the window and street thing as well, saying Plaid Cymru. And if I was in Scotland, I'd be voting SNP. Well, I don't really talk about my politics, but I would say it's all about the fact that, you know, I feel now, and we'll talk about these through the week, I'm going to throw a statement away. I feel now that the Scots should have their independence. I had no right to have my videos earlier on in the year in September saying, look, I want the Scots to remain with Britain, blah, blah, blah. UK politicians just stabbed them all in the back, and now hopefully the SNP will wipe out every other political party in Scotland. That's the way it's looking. And UKIP, because we should do something about immigration quickly. Lots of people say there's loads of space in this country for another 10 million people. You know, we'll build loads of houses for them, and, you know, we'll give them our healthcare, and our country goes bankrupt, right? It's not a racial thing now. Most of those people coming into this country are from Europe, who are already westernized countries and all the rest of it. So discussing that this week, and also what's the other issue? Plaid Cymru and Wales. Plaid Cymru and Wales seem to be extremely weak. They don't seem to be doing enough. But I'm doing my bit by delivering leaflets. Hopefully I come across people who have got goats, so I stroke them, right? And they eat my leaflets, so I haven't got to deliver any more. But it's not good for Plaid, because that's rubbish. I the other day, last week, I delivered 120 odd leaflets. Yeah, good. Anyway, here's my prediction, right? Here's my prediction, my first prediction, because I got 2 predictions, right? So first prediction for the results is the worst case scenario, right? And the worst case scenario is that it goes what my gut instinct is telling me, right? So what I mean by that is that when I go against my gut instinct, I'm usually right. I know that sounds weird, but that's the way it works for me, right? Sometimes. Oh, Christ, why am I talking crap again? I always talk crap. Anyway. Look, cut the rubbish, Carl, right? Forget about gut instincts. That's a film, isn't it? Carl and his gut instinct. Of course I go with my gut instinct. What am I on about? God! Right, here's my... Right, this is, right, this is my scenario, right, that this is the worst case scenario. This is like old-fashioned British politics. Polls have been completely wrong. They're wrong with the SNP. They're wrong with UKIP. They're wrong with everybody else. And this is going to be the result against the polls. 305 Labour. Labour? No, 305 for Labour. 300 for the Conservatives. 20 for the Liberal Democrats. 18 for the parties in Northern Ireland. Don't forget them. Not enough in the election about them. And the SNP 15 seats. 15, 1-5. Plaid Cymru 2. Greens and the UKIP wiped out. So I'm going to give you the result tomorrow, what I feel is going to happen. Anyway, this is my video log. I am so amazing. Anyway, that's me. Right, cheers guys. Yeah, I'm going. Bye.